Wow, ¿qué es eso? Un tomate. Yeah, that's really hot. Staying over here. That's popping everywhere. All right, a continuar. Huele bien rico. Smells so good. So I'm just gonna use some pieces from a rotisserie chicken I took apart earlier. You could cook your own chicken if you want to, but I like using rotisserie chicken to save some time. Sit. Good girl. A ver. Good girl. All right. Okay, once you see all the onions are cooked through, then it's pretty much done. If you want to cook the tomatoes a little bit more to make it more mushy, you could do that. But honestly, I'm fine with this. So now I'm gonna get ready for frying the tortillas. Ya tengo hambre. I'm gonna wipe this down. ¿Nomás la limpio así? ¿Nomás la limpio así? Yeah? Alright, I'm gonna go clean it. I'm gonna go clean this real quick. Alright. We're gonna heat up some oil. Just a layer on the bottom. Good enough. Now I'm gonna get the tortillas ready. I have with me some corn tortillas. That's embarrassing. Okay. Not too much, but not too little, you know. Just enough to kind of make a little flauta. Se deshizo. This is the worst. I'm just kidding. This is the hardest part. Also, because the chicken is hot and these are kind of cooler, it kind of rips it apart. Is it ready? No. Oh no, I dropped it. Okay. Okay, so you had to put it in right away. And the tortillas right now are a little cold, so if you put in a hot chicken in there, it's gonna do this. It's gonna rip apart. Okay. It's gonna rip apart really easily. So you wanna make sure, maybe heat them up a little bit, I don't know. Or just put them in right away to seal it. All right, let's take this out. Our failed tortilla, and let's try again. There we go. That's better. All right, let's try some cheese in here. Ooh, yes. Be all cheesy. Oh, this smells so good. Ah, mira. Se quebró. Bueno, a veces se quebra. Uy, están bien doraditas. Uy, they're nice and crispy. Make sure you take out the toothpicks. Ya la última ya la haces bien rápido. The last one, you can do it fast. Se cayó. It's okay, it's okay. Oh, creo que está muy caliente. Se quemó todo. That means this one's probably done. These are extra crispy. How do you so hot?
Remember I turned it up?
Oh, dang. Well, maybe we can do another one because that one's a little burnt. Perfect, because we have enough for one more. Ooh. Mmm. Oh my god. It's so good. Mmm. You can also add queso fresco on top. They're really good. Thanks guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and check out last week's video, which was some shrimp tacos. Thanks, bye. Mmm. What did you make? Mm-mm.